Iran is a country of extraordinary beauty and diversity, boasting a rich tapestry of landscapes, historical sites, and cultural heritage. From the ancient ruins of Persepolis to the vibrant bazaars of Isfahan, there is no shortage of captivating destinations to explore. Iran boasts a rich civilization that's like a treasure chest waiting to be explored. So choosing the best places to visit in Iran may take much work. From its captivating art and breathtaking architecture to its enchanting poetry, there's so much to uncover. But here's the best part. Iran offers a rare opportunity to experience a way of life that's disappearing in today's modern world. And the surprises don't stop there. Beneath its surface lie archaeological wonders and cultural treasures spanning over 10,000 years of history. Here are 5 of the most beautiful places to visit in Iran, each offering its own unique charm and allure. 1. Isfahan, home to some of the world's most breathtaking Islamic monuments, boasts Royal Square, also known as Naqsh-e-Jahan Square, among Iran's best places to visit. Throughout history, the square has hosted various national and governmental festivals, as well as polo games, with stone goalposts still standing at its north and south ends. Surrounding the square are 2-story arcaded structures housing the Grand Bazaar of Isfahan, one of the oldest and largest covered bazaars in the Middle East. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Royal Square epitomizes Iran's rich cultural heritage. A living museum of traditional culture, Isfahan is one of the top tourist destinations in Iran. The old Islamic buildings, along with the Persian gardens, give this city a beautiful appeal. The picture postcard bridges are the highlight of this place in Iran. Imam Mosque and Sheikh Lutfollah Mosque are the biggest attractions, along with the historic bazaar, which brings visitors to this gem of a city. Do not forget to buy some local handicrafts while in the city. Tourist attractions: Naqshi-Jahan Square, Imam Shah Mosque, Ali Kapu Palace, Sheikh Lutfollah Mosque. Places to stay: Abbasi Hotel, Iran Hotel, Peruzi Hotel, Persian Kausar Hotel 2. Persepolis, also known as Takht-e-Jamshid or Parse, stands as one of the world's most impressive archaeological marvels. Founded by Darius the Moyern in 518 BC, it served as the ceremonial capital of the Achaemenid Empire for over 200 years, until its downfall at the hands of Alexander the Great in 330 BC. Designed as a grand showcase and center for royal receptions and festivals, Persepolis hosted representatives from across the Persian Empire each spring, who gathered to pay tribute to the King of Kings. Today, the remnants of Persepolis include the iconic Gate of All Nations, the majestic ruins of palaces adorned with colossal stone columns, and captivating capitals depicting powerful and mythical creatures. Intricate bas-reliefs and inscriptions embellish facades and staircases, while stone doors and window jambs add to the site's allure. Among the notable features are the tombs of Artaxerxes III and Artaxerxes II, offering a glimpse into the ancient splendor of this once magnificent capital. 3. Shiraz. Known as the city of poets, gardens, and nightingales, Shiraz is a paradise for lovers of art and literature. Explore the fragrant gardens of Iram and Naranjistan, visit the tomb of the great Persian poet Hafez, and wander through the bustling stalls of the Vakil Bazaar. Once the Iranian capital, Shiraz is known for poetry and wine. It was also famous for its vineyards during the earlier days. If you are a connoisseur of either, you'd love to spend time here. Housing major pilgrimage sites for the Iranians, the city also has lovely gardens and beautiful mosques. A city full of love, Shiraz should definitely be on your list if you are visiting Iran with your partner. Tourist attractions: Tomb of Hafez, Vakil Mosque, Vakil Bazaar, Nazar Garden. Places to stay: Shiraz Grand Hotel, Zandieh Hotel, Karim Khan Hotel. 4. Tehran. The bustling capital city of Iran, Tehran is a melting pot of culture, history, and modernity. Explore its eclectic mix of museums, galleries, and parks, including the opulent Golistan Palace, the National Museum of Iran, and the peaceful confines of Lala Park. One of the top places to visit in Iran, Tehran is a busy metropolis set against the Alborz Mountains. This capital city offers one with the present or modern-day Iran. Popular as a tourist destination, The city features both historical monuments as well as the dazzling skyline, making it a melting pot of both the ancient and the present. There are a number of museums and palaces for one to explore, and a hip cafe scene to chill in the evenings. If you wish to explore places around the city, then two interesting places to take day trips are Tahal and Darban. Adorned with natural beauty, they offer quite an escape from the busy city of Tehran. Tourist attractions, the Grand Bazaar, National Museum of Iran, Golistan Palace, Sadabad Complex places to stay, Taj Mahal Hotel, Espinas Palace Hotel, Persian Evan Hotel 5. Tabriz, located in the northwest of Iran. Tabriz is famed for its historic bazaar, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that dates back over a millennium. Lose yourself amidst its labyrinthine alleys, filled with colorful textiles, spices, and handicrafts. Outside the city, explore the rocky landscapes of Kandovan, where homes are carved into the cliffsides. Rich in Azeri culture, Tabriz is known for its thriving bazaar, and if you are looking for places for shopping in Iran, then this should definitely be on your list. Placed at the gates of paradise by the Bible, Tabriz has a fine historical heritage. With great transport facilities, the city is easily accessible, and the pleasant weather adds to one's wonderful experience of the city. The city is further known for its beautiful carpets and tea house hammams. So, are you excited to explore this city in Iran? Tourist attractions, El Goli, Shah Goli, Blue Mosque, Bazaar of Tabriz, Azerbaijan Museum, places to stay, Ahrab Hotel, Tabriz El Goli Pars Hotel, Shahryar International Hotel.